It was just substandard. It was built back in the 1960s, so it was very old school. None of the systems was up to par with the district, so it called for modernization. So we were able to salvage 2 of the buildings, but the other ones were very old and had to go. And we're bringing it to new standards, equivalent to our new construction now, with new technology, new classroom sizes, new furniture. Everything is going to be brand new. It's going to be a brand new school with the latest technologies, no different than Verdi or Addison Meisner K8 are going to have. So the technology piece is going to be huge. Everything is going to be new, your mechanical systems, your electrical systems. Right now, we're on a track to have this school open for August of 2021. The community here and the students deserve the latest and greatest that the district has to offer. And they're going to be very proud of it when it's done.